Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Fiesta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, sync, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.